Understanding the phrase, a grain of truth. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, a grain of truth. This phrase is often used in conversations and literature, and understanding it can enrich your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and discover what it really means. A grain of truth is a phrase used to indicate that a statement or claim, although largely exaggerated or false, has some element of truth in it. The word grain here is metaphorical, representing a very small piece or amount, similar to a grain of rice or sand. It suggests that while the overall statement may not be true, there is a tiny part of it that is based on fact. To better understand a grain of truth, let's look at some examples. In a story, the legend of the haunted castle had a grain of truth, as the castle was indeed built over ancient ruins. In an argument, his accusations were mostly unfounded, but there was a grain of truth in what he said about the company's policies. In everyday conversation, these old wives' tales usually have a grain of truth in them somewhere. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, always highlighting that tiny bit of truth in a larger, possibly untrue, statement. Understanding phrases like a grain of truth is crucial in language learning because it helps you grasp nuances in English. It's not just about the literal meanings of words, but also about understanding expressions, idioms, and metaphors which are common in everyday speech. This phrase is a perfect example of how English speakers often use imagery and metaphor to convey complex ideas in a few words. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of a grain of truth. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about expressions, idioms, and the cultural stories they tell. So, keep learning and exploring, and you'll find that every phrase has its own unique story. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.